One of the most frequently asked questions people have on Google Ads is how can I set my ads to run on a certain schedule? Here we are in the campaigns dashboard of a Google Ads account, and in order to edit the ad schedule, we just need to click on the campaign that we want to edit. So let's go into here, and now we are in the ad group section. We want to click on the audiences, keywords, and content section until the drop down button appears, and we want to look for the add schedule button. Now from here, if we zoom out a little bit, you can now edit the time and day in which your ads show. So let's click on the blue schedule button, and this is giving you the power to choose what time and day you want your ads to run. Let's say you've got a specific requirement that you want to have your ads running on Monday to Friday during your business hours. So we're going to keep on going down until we find the opening hours for this particular business time. Let's say it's 8 a.m. in the morning and the closing time is in the evening at 5 p.m. So we have now got the ads scheduled to run Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And once we have done that, let's click on the Save button. And what we are now going to see is the period right here with the blue empty squares in which our ads are going to appear from Monday to Friday. That's a great start. Let's say we want to schedule times for the weekend as well to accommodate for the other hours. So let's say if we want to go on a Saturday and a Sunday, for example, let's say we want our ads to only run at very specific times, which is from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., which is when the business is open for. If we click on the Save button, we can now see that there is a small block right over here. And if you want to edit this at any time, you can just click on the blue Schedule button. And if we want to remove ads appearing on a particular day, we can click on the X button next to it, and that is then going to remove the certain schedule that we have set up. And if we click on Save, it will confirm it. So that's all there is with scheduling your ads to a particular time and day. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And if you're new to the channel and you want more ongoing Google Ads tutorials, hit that subscribe button for regular updates. Have a fantastic day, everybody. See you soon.